Okay folks, we got a box, a very special box, a special package from the Andersons. So let's find out.
What's in the box?
Okay, so as you guys can see, I got a new spreader from the Andersons. They're calling it the Yard Star Spreader. So check it out. They sent me one spreader. Well, they thought that they sent me one spreader. They accidentally sent me two. So fun thing is, I'm gonna put this one together, I'm gonna play with it, and I'm gonna give the second one away to one of you. But you're gonna have to figure out by watching this video all the way through just exactly what you gotta do in order to be eligible to win the spreader. So let's put the spreader together and then let's play with it. Alright guys, I got the Andersons Yard Star Spreader all put together. Now I'm going to go ahead, put down some pre-emergent here in the backyard. I'm not going to be seeding in the backyard, so the soil temperatures are about 50 degrees now and it's about time to put down pre-emergent. I'm going to be putting down the Andersons barricade. Obviously it's an Anderson spreader, why not use some of their product? So now's the fun part. If you guys want to win the new Andersons Yard Star Lawn Spreader, what I want you to do is go down into the comments and comment why you could use a new spreader. Leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed, all that good stuff. In 2 weeks, I'm gonna use a random comment generator and I'm gonna pick a comment, and if they commented about why they need or could use a new spreader, I'm gonna send this directly to them, right to their house. Anyway, so let's go ahead and use some of this pre-emergent, knock it out, and then I'll get out of here. If you want a full in-depth review of this new Lawn Star spreader, Paul over at A to Zoysia has got one on the way, and he's gonna be putting together a video. I'm gonna link to his channel. Go check him out, hit the subscribe button over there, and he's gonna put together a full in-depth review on the Lawn Star spreader. So without further ado, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you